Chapter 1 Large Numbers. Warm-up activity. Number 1. Given below are the names and approximate lengths of some rivers of India. Arrange these lengths in ascending order. Ganga 2635 kilometers. Kaveri 860 kilometers. Yamuna 1486 kilometers. Krishna 1500 kilometers. Godavari 1575 kilometers. Narmada 1422 kilometers. The lengths in ascending order are 860 kilometers, 1422 kilometers, 1486 kilometers, 1500 kilometers, 1575 kilometers, 2635 kilometers. Number 2. Write the lengths of these rivers in words. Ganga 2635, Yamuna 1486, Godavari 1575, Kaveri 860, Krishna 1500, Narmada 1422. Numbers beyond 9999. In class 3, we had learned numbers up to 9999. We know that 9999 is the largest 4-digit number. If we add 1 to it, we get 1 0 0 0 0. By adding 1 to 9999, we get a new place, that is 10,000s. TTH. 9999, the largest 4-digit number, plus 1 is 1 0 0 0 0, the smallest 5-digit number. Here, 1 is at 10,000's place. 1 0 0 0 0 is the smallest 5-digit number. We read it as 10,000. Similarly, we can get even larger numbers. The largest 5-digit number is 99,999. When we add 1 to it, we get the smallest 6-digit number, that is 1 lakh. Remember, 9999 plus 1 is equal to 1 0 0 0 0. 4 zeros after 1. 10,000. 99,999 plus 1 is equal to 1 0 0 0 0 0. 5 zeros after 1. 1 lakh. Representing 5-digit numbers on an abacus. 10,000 can be represented on an abacus in the given manner. We can similarly represent any 5-digit number on an abacus. Try and represent the numbers 24,638, 91,250, 86,508, 71,346, 30,432 on the abacus. Remember, absence of beads in any spike of an abacus represents 0. Indian place value system. Place value chart helps in reading a number properly. To read a 5-digit number, say 65481. First mark the place value of each digit. Start from the extreme right digit that is from the ones place, and move to the left. Periods, thousands, ones, places, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. In the number, 6 is at 10,000s place, 5 is at thousands place, 4 is at hundreds place, 8 is at tens place, 1 is at ones place. The place value chart has been separated into two groups called periods. Periods are divided into places. The ones period has 3 places: hundreds, tens, and ones. The thousands period has 2 places: thousands and 10,000s. The periods are separated using commas. The numeral 6, 5, 4, 8, 1 is read as 65,481. Example 1. Write the following numerals in words: A 2 7 2 0 8, B 7 4 1 8 0. Solution. Arrange the numbers in the place value chart. A. Here, 8 is at ones place, 0 is at tens place, 2 is at hundreds place, 7 is at thousands place, 2 is at 10,000s place. It is 27,208. B. Here, 0 is at ones place, 8 is at tens place, 1 is at hundreds place, 4 is at thousands place, 7 is at 10,000s place. It is 74,180. 6-digit number. As we learned, by adding 1 to the largest 5-digit number, we get the smallest 6-digit number. 99,999, the largest 5-digit number, plus 1 is 1 0 0 0 0 0. The smallest 6-digit number. Here 1 is at lakhs place. 1 0 0 0 0 0 is read as 1 lakh. Lakh forms a separate period. For example, 7 lakh is written as 7 0 0 0 0 0. Here, the first 0 on the extreme right is at ones place. Second 0 is at tens place. Third 0 is at hundreds place. Fourth 0 is at thousands place. Fifth 0 is at 10,000s place. And 7 is at lakhs place. Remember, 9,99,999 is the largest 6-digit number. Face value and place value of digits. Face value. The face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself, irrespective of its place in the number. For example, in the number 2,31,458, the face value of 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 1 is 1, and so on. What is the face value of 0 in 7,60,813? It is 0. Place value. The place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. Place value of a digit is equal to face value of the digit multiply value of the place it occupies. For example, the digit 2 appears twice in the number 2,96,321. Therefore, The digit 2 will have two place values. The first 2 from the right occupies the tens position and has the place value 2 tens or 20. The second 2 occupies the lakhs position and has the place value 2 lakhs or 2 0 0 0 0 0. Expanded form and short form. Expanded form is the sum of the place values of all the digits in a given number. Example 2. Write the following numbers in expanded form. A. 56,182. B. 28,174. Solution. A. 56,182 is equal to 5 multiply 10,000 plus 6 multiply 1,000 plus 1 multiply 100 plus 8 multiply 10 plus 2 multiply 1 equal to 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 100 plus 80 plus 2. B. 28,174 is equal to 2 multiply 10,000 plus 8 multiply 1,000 plus 1 multiply 100 plus 7 multiply 10 plus 4 multiply 1 equal to 20,000 plus 8,000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 4. The short form, standard form of a number is given by combining the place value of each digit. Example 3. Write the following in short standard form. A. 90,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 4. B. 20,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 7. Solution. To get the short form, we add the place values together. A. 90,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 4 is equal to 95,234. B. 20,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 7 is equal to 20,847. International Place Value System. In this system, the place value is different from Indian system of numeration. The place value chart in international system is as follows. Periods, thousands, ones. Places, hundred thousands, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. While reading a numeral, all the digits in the same period are read together and the name of the period except the ones is read along with it. While writing a numeral, we separate the periods using commas. Example 4. Write the following numerals in international place value chart. Also, put commas and write their number names. A. 9, 8, 4, 3, 1, 8. B. 4, 3, 1, 7, 9, 0. C. 6, 1, 4, 3, 2, 8. Solution. A. Here, the first digit on the extreme right, that is 8, is at ones place. 1 is at tens place. 3 is at hundreds place. 4 is at thousands place. 8 is at 10,000s place. 9 is at 100,000s place. B In this number, the first digit on the extreme right, that is 0, is at 1's place, 9 is at 10's place, 7 is at 100's place, 1 is at 1000's place, 3 is at 10,000's place, 4 is at 100,000's place. C. In this number, the first digit on the extreme right, that is 8, is at 1's place, 2 is at 10's place, 3 is at 100's place, 4 is at 1000's place, 1 is at 10,000's place, 6 is at 100,000's place. In the first number, we put comma after 4. It is written as 984,318. In the second number, we put comma after 1. It is written as 431,790. In the third number, we put comma after 4. It is written as 614,328.